The world cannot be separated from the needs for natural resources. Growing energy needs, in line with the development of all aspects of life, requires professional management of natural resources. Energy, as a source of life, must be utilized optimally and responsibly. This energy utilization and management is inseparable from the use of reliable technology and equipment and is able to support business globally. Technological developments in the era of globalization is rapidly increasing. One of the technological developments that plays a major role in shifting human civilization towards modern era is the technology of heavy equipment. Indonesia, the country that is known to be rich in its cultural diversity, natural resources, and minerals, is one of the world's energy sources that need to be managed and developed for the sake of the sustainability of the next generation. In the midst of the current technological advances of the world economy, KRA is presented as a part of all 13 Komatsu Remanufacturing Centers spread in various parts of the world that provide convenience and support for heavy equipment products in managing professional and sustainable development. Established on December 17, 1996, in Balikpapan, East Borneo, Indonesia. KRA, which is engaged in the repair and maintenance of heavy equipment components for Komatsu products, was born as a joint venture between Komatsu Indonesia and United Tractors. With a vision to become the best world-class remanufacturing company towards prosperous life, encouraging us to always innovate on improving human and technological resources. Our mission: to provide benefits for the nation, to produce qualified products through strategic partnership, innovation, and continuous improvement, to provide benefits for stakeholders through value-added creation, to provide opportunity to the employees to enhance their prosperity and self-fulfillment to performance achievement, to contribute for community development and environmental improvement. Powered by its two plants, Mula Warman and Balikpapan plant, with the best facilities and equipment technology, KRA is committed in providing business solutions and services that focus on customer satisfaction. Balikpapan plant, operating since October 2011, was built on an area of 150,000 square meter with a building area of 80,700 square meter, located in Karangjoang, Balikpapan. Balikpapan plant is built for disassembly centralization process, engine remanufacturing, machining shop, and warehouse. Mula Warman plant, operating since August 2007, was built on an area of 20,000 square meter with a building area of 9,600 square meter, located in Batakan, Balikpapan. Mula Warman plant is built for the remanufacturing of powertrain, piston pump, and piston motor, and warehouse. Remanufacturing core process. Disassembly process. The process of dismantling the components to have become the main and subparts. Washing process. The process of parts washing after being disassembled. Machining process. The process of repairing spare parts that will be reused. To improve productivity and quality of repair parts, the company complements several high-tech machines such as coordinate measuring machine, CNC vertical lathe machine, CNC double column milling machine, robotic metal spray, heating preparation. The process of preparing new spare parts and reused spare parts. Short block process. The process of installing a series of parts in the cylinder block. Assembly process. The process of assembling the entire parts to become a fully assembled component. Global leak test process. A process for detecting leaks from assembly results before final testing. Component performance test. The testing process of components that have been completed at the assembly in accordance with the standard quality of Komatsu. Component painting process. The process of painting components that have passed the test. Completed and final inspection process. The process of installing component accessories according to the configuration and final checking standards. RFU components. Components that are ready to be used and sent to customers. In order to provide guarantee of quality to its products, KRA is registered for ISO 9001 since 2001 and ISO 14001 since 2017 to guarantee good environmental governance. To its implementation, KRA is supervised and audited from external auditors and principals, preparing reliable and qualified human resources who are ready to take up business challenges in the future and to support company operations to develop competencies and implement cultural values. By establishing good corporate governance, KRA is committed to be a company that cares for social responsibility and environmental conservation. KRA believes that social and environmental responsibility is the key to be success and sustainable in business. In providing work experience with full intimacy and sense of belonging, as well as getting physical and spiritual balance for its employees, the company facilitates and gives opportunities to worship according to their respective beliefs. KRA Value Champions. Customer satisfaction, honesty and integrity, accurate, moral, people focus, innovation, ownership, networking and collaboration, strive for excellence. We are the most trusted remanufacturing company.